How to use Sling TV 25 complete guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with Sling TV in 2025. So first of all, you have to pick your base service: Sling Orange, Blue or Orange Plus Blue. Sling TV offers three different packages: Orange, Blue and a combined Orange and Blue package. Each of these packages provides a different set of channel and services, so you can pick the one that best fits your needs and interests. And you have to choose your extra channels and premium add-ons. And once you selected your base package, Sling TV will guide you to customize your channel selection. You can choose channels within specific genres or choose from premium channels that align with your interests, like sports, news or lifestyle. And after that, download the Sling TV app on your device to start watching instantly. Then all that's left to do is download the Sling TV app on your streaming device of choice. You can start watching immediately through the app. Sling TV supports a variety of devices including iOS and Android, Amazon Fire TV, Roku, Google Chromecast and Xbox. And that's it for this video. That's how you can get started with the Sling TV. See you on the next video, guys.